When did you start the business? At what point did you realize you want to franchise this business? Why did you choose to franchise the business versus just continue to grow organically? For anyone that's out there that owns a business currently and they're thinking about, should I franchise their business? What advice would you give them? All right, you want to introduce yourself real quick?
My name is Bryce Bussard. I am the CEO and founder of Handy Hunks Exterior Home Services, and we specialize in window cleaning, power washing, roof cleaning, and paper sealing.
Love it. When did you start the business?
I started the business 3 years ago. I was a senior in college and didn't really know what I was going to do, and so I decided started to clean windows on my street, and kind of word started to spread, and I got a lot of traction and started adding other services. It kind of took off from there.
Love that. At what point did you realize you want to franchise this business?
I saw a lack in the home service industry, specifically kind of the power washing space. A lot of companies, they just show up in their trucks. There's not much brand, not much marketing, not much culture. So I kind of wanted to build up a brand, a nice logo, where other people who are in my similar shoes could have a base and work off of that.
And why did you choose to franchise the business versus just continue to grow organically?
I think this is a business that can be taken care of kind of all over the country and all over the state of Florida. There's plenty of work to go around, so I think that's kind of why we decided to franchise it.
It allows you to kind of accelerate your distribution and partners and kind of build the brand up a lot faster.
Exactly, yeah.
Love that. And for anyone that's out there that owns a business currently and they're thinking about, should I franchise their business? What advice would you give them?
I would say make sure you have your systems in place. What's going to take you to the next level is having systems in place for day-to-day tasks. That way your business can operate smoothly and you continue to grow and expand.
How important is it to surround yourself at such an early age to really build a great franchise system, building your team? How important is it building your team?
I think it's very important. I think leading by example and being professional, well-dressed, clean-cut, I think it's all part of developing a successful franchise where other people want to be a part of.
Love it. So any last piece of advice for anyone that's out there that wants to franchise their business and they're kind of on that borderline?
I would just say go for it. You never know what can happen. The worst thing that can happen is you don't have any other franchisees, but you continue to run your business successfully. So I don't think there's any downside to trying to franchise it.
Love it. Congratulations on that. Well said.
Thank you.
That's perfect, man. That's real. Do you want to franchise your business and take it to a whole new level? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.